What if I told you there are cars in 2026 so expensive, so insanely exclusive, that even billionaires struggle to get one? Today, we're diving into machines built not just for driving, but for power, prestige, and pure obsession. These are the most expensive cars on Earth. And trust me, the details you're about to hear will completely change how you see luxury cars forever. From the ultra-rare Rolls-Royce boat tail to the one-of-one Bugatti La Voiture Noire, this list is packed with engineering masterpieces. Let's jump straight in. Starting off with the wild and futuristic Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. This isn't just a car, it's basically a fighter jet disguised as a roadster. Built to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary, only 9 units exist, making it rarer than most private jets. From the back, the Veneno looks absolutely insane. The aggressive diffuser, massive vents, and central exhaust scream performance. Compared to something like the Lamborghini Aventador, this feels like it came from another planet. Moving along the left side, those sharp aerodynamic cuts and exposed carbon fiber panels aren't just for show. They channel air like a race car. The right side mirrors the same madness, with every line designed to slice through air at extreme speeds. Step inside, and it's all about driver focus. The interior is minimal but premium, loaded with carbon fiber and lightweight materials. It's not as plush as a Rolls-Royce Phantom, but that's not the point. This is raw, aggressive luxury. Under the hood, you get a 6.5-liter V12 pushing around 750 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, and a top speed over 220 mph. Price? Around $4.5 million. Verdict? It's not practical. It's a statement. Next up, the speed monster, Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. This car is built for one purpose only: breaking speed records. From the back, it looks surprisingly clean compared to other hypercars. No giant wing, just smooth airflow and twin fins for stability. Compared to the track-focused Koenigsegg Jesko Attack, this one is all about top speed. On the left side, the elongated body and low stance make it look like it's moving even when parked. Same story on the right, everything is engineered for minimal drag. Inside, it's surprisingly refined. Digital displays, premium materials, and a cockpit that feels like a spaceship. Now the engine, this is where it gets crazy. A twin-turbo V8 producing up to 1,600 horsepower on E85 fuel. Theoretical top speed, over 300 mph. Yes, you heard that right. Price sits in the multi-million range, and the verdict? If speed is your obsession, nothing comes close. Now let's talk about elegance mixed with brutality. The Bugatti Divo. From the rear, that massive wing and aggressive stance instantly tell you this is built for corners, not just straight lines. Compared to the Bugatti Chiron, the Divo is sharper, more focused. Left side? Sculpted perfection. Air intakes everywhere, feeding that monstrous engine. The right side continues the same design philosophy. Every inch serves a purpose. Inside, it's luxury meets racing. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and precision craftsmanship everywhere. Under the hood, an 8.0-liter quad-turbo W16 delivering 2,500 horsepower. 0-60 in about 2.4 seconds. Price? Around $5.8 million. Verdict? A Bugatti that actually loves corners. Now entering ultra-rare territory, the Pagani Imola. From the back, it's pure aggression. Quad exhausts, massive diffuser, and active aero elements. Compared to the Pagani Huayra, this is way more extreme. Left and right sides showcase insane aerodynamics, including movable flaps that adjust in real time. Inside, classic Pagani. Art meets engineering. Leather, metal, and carbon fiber crafted like a luxury watch. Engine? A Mercedes-AMG-derived twin-turbo V12 with over 800 horsepower. Price around $5+ million. Verdict? A track weapon with artistic soul. Next, the long-tail beauty, Pagani Huayra Codalunga. From the rear, it's sleek and elegant, with a stretched body that improves aerodynamics. Compared to the standard Huayra, this feels more refined. Side profile? Absolutely stunning. Long, flowing lines that make it look like a moving sculpture. Inside, it's pure luxury. Bespoke materials, detailed stitching, and even custom luggage. Sets. Same V12 power, around 829 horsepower, but tuned for smooth performance. Price, roughly $7.6 million. Verdict, beauty over aggression. Now, a tribute to history, the Bugatti 110. Rear design features 8 taillights and a bold wing. Very distinctive. Compared to the Chiron, this is more nostalgic. Side profile highlights those iconic EB110-inspired air intakes. Interior, pure Bugatti luxury, nothing less. Engine delivers 2,600 horsepower, making it brutally fast. Price? Around $10 million. Verdict? A collector's dream. Next, the ultra-rare Bugatti Chiron Profile. From the back, it's elegant yet aggressive, with a unique aerodynamic profile. Side views show a perfect balance between luxury and performance. Inside, it's one of the most refined Bugattis ever built. Same W16 engine with 2,500 horsepower. Verdict? Subtle, rare, and incredibly valuable. Now the masterpiece, Bugatti La Voiture Noire. From the rear, those 6 exhaust pipes instantly stand out. It's bold, dramatic, and unforgettable. Side profile? Long, sleek, and completely blacked out. Pure. Stealth wealth? Interior? Ultra-luxurious? Fully bespoke? Engine? 1,500 horsepower from the legendary W16 price? Around $18.9 million. Verdict? This isn't just a car. It's art. Now stepping into ultimate luxury, the Rolls-Royce boat tail. From the back, it opens like a yacht deck, revealing a hosting suite with umbrellas and champagne storage. Side profile is inspired by luxury boats, smooth and elegant. Inside, it's handcrafted perfection. Engine? A refined V12 focused on comfort. Price? Around $28 million. Verdict? The definition of luxury on wheels. Finally, the crown jewel, the Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire droptail. From the rear, it's elegant and artistic, with a finish inspired by rare roses. Side view? Pure sophistication. Inside, it features one of the most complex wood inlays ever created, over 1,600 pieces. Engine produces around 593 horsepower, but performance isn't the focus here. Price? Around $30 million. Final verdict? This is not just a car, it's a legacy, and that brings us to the end of this insane journey through the world's most expensive cars. If any one of these blew your mind, hit that like button right now. Subscribe for more crazy car content. And don't forget to follow Atiq Motors for the latest in luxury and hypercars. Drop a comment below. If money was no limit, which one are you choosing?